Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're looking for a flawless, natural-looking wig that can handle anything from sleek ponytails to voluminous curls, you're in the right place. Today, we'll be diving into the details of the 30-inch lace front wig human hair. Let's break down everything you need to know about this product and see how it measures up. The 30-inch lace front wig is made with 100% unprocessed Brazilian virgin human hair. It's designed with a body wave texture that gives you that soft, flowing look, and it's crafted to last. With a 200% density, this wig promises a full, thick, and voluminous appearance, which is a plus if you want that extra bounce and volume. The wig is also made with HD lace, which creates a transparent, natural look for the hairline. The 13x4 HD lace frontal provides plenty of space for versatile styling, including middle or side parts, and even high ponytails or buns. It's designed to be worn without glue, with adjustable straps, and 4 combs for a secure fit. So how does this wig perform in real life? After testing it out, I found that it lived up to its claims in many areas. The hair is incredibly soft and smooth, and there's no shedding or tangling. Both are critical points when you're investing in a high-quality wig. It's easy to style and manage, and the body wave texture holds well, even when you adjust it into a ponytail or straighten it. The HD lace blends seamlessly with my scalp, making it look incredibly natural. The cap size fits most head shapes comfortably, thanks to the adjustable straps and the stretchy material. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. The 200% density delivers full, thick hair, perfect for those who want a voluminous look. The HD lace is almost invisible, making it look more natural than some other lace fronts. It's versatile, can be styled in many ways, including a high ponytail, side part, or even straightened. The hair quality is top-notch, with no tangling or shedding, even after several wears. Glueless design and adjustable straps make it easy to wear without any fuss. Cons: at 30 inches, it may be a bit long for those who prefer shorter styles. The price could be a bit higher compared to synthetic wigs, so it might not be the best choice if you're on a tight budget. Even though it's pre-plucked, some may still need to do minor customization to the hairline for a more natural look. In terms of value for money, this wig is a solid option if you're looking for high-quality human hair. The price point reflects the material and craftsmanship, and the durability is impressive. With proper care, it can last anywhere from 7 to 12 months or even longer, which makes it worth the investment. Comparing this to other similar wigs on the market, you'll find that the 200% density and HD lace set it apart from many standard options. While there are cheaper alternatives out there, this wig offers a higher quality feel and appearance, especially in terms of natural-looking lace and styling versatility. When it comes to build quality, the wig feels durable and well-made. The materials are soft to the touch, and the cap is comfortable enough for extended wear. The HD lace is a standout feature, as it blends so well with the scalp. Now, I haven't had any direct customer service experiences with this brand, but based on the reviews and reputation of human hair wigs in this price range, I would expect decent support if needed. If you're considering alternatives, there are some lower-cost options, but you may not get the same quality of hair or lace. You might want to look for other virgin human hair wigs with similar textures if you're trying to stick to a budget. To wrap things up, the 30-inch lace front wig human hair definitely holds its own in the crowded wig market. It offers excellent value for its price, with high-quality, long-lasting materials and styling versatility. It's best for those looking for a natural but voluminous look and premium hair quality. If you're willing to spend a little more for durability and a natural appearance, this wig is a solid choice. If this review helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so other wig lovers can find this video too. Thanks for watching here on Beautyistic. Be sure to check the link in the comments box if you're interested in grabbing this wig for yourself. If you already own it, let me know your thoughts. What's your favorite way to style it? Until next time, stay fabulous and keep it beautiful.